Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. In this video I discuss the foramen present within the cranium. This is the cribriform plate of the ethmoid. It transmits olfactory nerve. This is optic canal. It transmits optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. This is the superior orbital fissure. This is the location of the superior orbital fissure. Superior orbital fissure. This is the location of superior orbital fissure. It transmits the superior inferior ophthalmic vein, third, fourth, one of the branch of the fifth cranial nerve and sixth cranial nerve. The name of the nerve is oculomotor trochlear ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve and abducens. Oculomotor trochlear and abducens are motor nerve. Ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve is the sensory nerve. This is the medial end of the superior orbital fissure. Just behind the medial end of the superior orbital fissure, this is the another foramen rotundum. It transmits a sensory nerve, the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve. Just behind the foramen rotundum, a oval-shaped foramen. This is Foramen Ovale. It transmits a mixed nerve, mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Just behind the Foramen Ovale, another tiny foramen. This is Foramen spinosum. It transmits middle meningeal vessels. This is the petrous part of the temporal bone. This is internal acoustic meatus. It transmits facial nerve and vestibulocochlear nerve. This is the location of the jugular foramen. It transmits glossopharyngeal vagus and accessory nerve. This is the another foramen, hypoglossal foramen. It transmits the hypoglossal nerve. Hypoglossal is the motor nerve. The glossopharyngeal vagus, both are mixed nerve and accessory are the motor nerve. And this is the Foramen Magnum. It transmits the lower part of the medulla oblongata and meninges and spinal root of the accessory nerve.